How to use Ali Reviews app on your Shopify store. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so from start to finish. So basically from installing the application and exactly how to set it up and add your reviews, or actually I should say import your reviews. So if you don't know what that is, it's pretty much an application used with Shopify, because if you're using, or you actually want to import reviews from AliExpress or Amazon even, for that matter, you can actually go ahead and import the reviews from the products in there to your products in your store. So let's just go ahead and get started and show you exactly what you need to do. In order to get started, you will need to open up your Shopify admin, and from here you just want to go to apps, and basically we just want to open up the Shopify app store. So you can just click on apps and click on all recommended apps from here and click on Shopify app store. This should open up the store here for us, and we just simply click at the search box here at the top and search for Ali Reviews. Once you do that, you should find it to be at the top here, so make sure you select the proper one. There's a lot of other ones here as well, but I guess this is the one that we actually wanted to go for, which is the proper or the real Ali Reviews, which is Ali Reviews. I can't even pronounce this, courtesy reviews, so just going to click on that. And once you click on it, you can actually go ahead and read more about it, what it actually does here for you. So you can actually see one-click import reviews with Amazon and AliExpress. This is the Ali Reviews exclusive imports, AliExpress reviews with AI suggest source, and also you can actually display photos, videos, reviews on your store. So if somebody from AliExpress or Amazon posted a review with photos or videos, is also going to be imported along with the actual review itself. So there's going to be also more about it, so you can feel free to read more about it here. And in here we can actually go ahead and look at the pricing plan, because this is very important. We have two different pricing plans here for Ali Reviews. We've got the free one, and then we also have the super plan, which is going to be available for about $15 a month, and you will get everything which is included in here. So you can feel free to pause the video and see more about it. Now, with that being said and done, we just want to start by clicking on install for the application. Just make sure it's the proper one. Click on install, and this is going to begin the setup process for our Ali Reviews app. So in here, we just need to confirm the installation by clicking on install one more time here at the bottom right. And once this opens up, we can just begin our setup. Now we can also, in the meantime, close out of these two windows. We don't really need them anymore, so we can just continue in here. Now in here, they give you two options. So either you can start a 14-day free trial for the super plan, and after the 14-day free trial, if you don't cancel, you're going to be billed for $15 a month, and you get access to all the different features that they offer. Or you can just go for the free version, which is a little hidden, but you can find it if you click on view all super features. If you click on that, this is going to open up. You just skip ahead and you can see only need the basics, enjoy the free plan with limited features. Now, as they actually state, it is going to be very limited. It's more like testing. So if you want to test things out first, you can go for the free plan, but you can actually see how much you get when it comes to the super plan. Anyways, regardless of your choice, go ahead and click on it. So I'm just going to go for the free plan, click on free plan, and keep free plan just to confirm. And they actually do give you an offer if you click on free plan, so might as well do that anyway. Okay, so I'm just going to pronounce this as courtesy. If it's wrong, it's wrong, but you get the idea. So now to get started with the setup, you basically just follow the rules or follow the prompts. So click on get started, and this is going to begin our setup process. So in here, we are going to first enable the core snippet. If you don't know what that is, this is going to be pretty much the app embed for Ali Reviews. So you can either click on enable core snippet, or if you want to, you can just go to online store, go to themes, and from themes, click on customize, which is going to lead you to open up the editor for your Shopify store. And then here you can actually go to the app embeds section for the entire store, which should be here at the left side of the dashboard. Click on that, and this is going to open up this section for you. Now, you may find a lot of things here, but just go in and search for Courtesy or Ali Reviews, and you should be able to find it. Make sure it's turned on. And if it's turned on, you're good to go. You can click on Save from the top right corner. Once this is done, we can just go back and navigate back to the app by going to Apps here and opening up Ali Reviews. I'm going to pin it just to make it easier for us to access later on. And now that this is enabled, it should actually say that it is enabled. But anyways, I'm just going to move on. So next step is going to be adding the review box to our site or store. So click on Add Review Box after you've enabled the core snippet, and click on Add Review Box. This is going to take us to the product page, I believe, where we can add the widgets here, which is going to do it automatically here for us, but it's just going to be up to us whether we want it to be moved somewhere else or not. So we can actually see we have customer reviews now, and it's going to be good to go. Within this, if you click on it in here, you can actually go ahead and this is the review box. Okay, so in here you can actually feel free to adjust the colors and stuff. So if you want to go into more details, you can actually feel free to do so in here by changing the rating color, section color, and so on. Now this is only one of them. You can also go for the other ones here and do the same thing for them as well. So now that we have the reviews here at the top, the stars, and we also have this, and again you can change the elements from here. So now that we have this, we can again safely exit out of here. Oh, sorry, we did not save, so make sure you save on the top right first and then exit. And now actually we just exit out of the page. And now once these two portions are done, now we're good to go. And now we can begin importing our reviews from different sources. Now, if you open up the app from here, from the apps section, you're going to have a lot of different options here to choose from. So we've got import reviews, which is going to be self-explanatory, where you will need to import reviews from different platforms, or collect reviews, which is going to be pretty much you asking for customers to leave a review. So you can have it as auto request and so on. So right now I can't really do this because I have the email deactivated. I don't really think I can enable it with this specific store. But anyways, collect reviews is separate from importing reviews. And then we also have manage reviews here. It's actually going to show us all the different reviews that we have and so on. But now to focus on the reviews that we have. So we can just click on import reviews, or to focus on actually importing the reviews, sorry. Click on import reviews, and in here we can actually go ahead and get started right away. So the first thing is that we will need to add the Courtesy extension, and this is going to allow things to be much easier here. So click on Add to Chrome, which is going to open up the Chrome extension here for us. Click on Add to Chrome, click on Add Extension. This is going to be a lot easier for us because right now we can safely exit out of here, by the way, because now we just need to visit AliExpress, for example, and use the extension, which is going to do these steps for us basically. Okay, great. So now that we installed the extension, which I'm actually going to pin, we need to select a product that we want to import reviews for. So I'm just going to go for this green one. Click on Import Reviews. You should obviously search for a proper product that you have and try to match it, which is, the general case, but in my case, I don't really have any, so I'm just going to use that one. And once this loads in, we can actually go ahead and start. Now, by default, I think for you, you may not find anything in here. Now, for me, I found 3 different items here that are generated by AI, or not generated, suggested by AI. These are different items from AliExpress that they think is matching with my product, even though my product isn't really a product. So in your case, you can actually find the proper ones. If so, you can just click on Import right next to them, which is actually going to do it for you automatically. So you can actually see that it is currently working. If not, if it's something that is not related to your product, you can feel free to just remove them by clicking on Delete Link. And you can actually see now this is imported. Now for you, if you don't find anything that is related to you, or to your product, you just click on Add Review Source here at the bottom left, and click on manually add review sources, which is not the same as suggested by AI. So click on manually add review sources, and in here you will need to paste in the link for an AliExpress product, which is going to be matching or similar to the product that you already have. So once you do that, you just click, it's going to show up here for you, much like this one, and you will need to click on import, and this is pretty much how to do it. Now, again, this is one method out of two. The other one is going to be by using the extension, which is going to be a little bit different. Here you can actually go ahead and click on it and see exactly how it works if you click on learn more. Which is, by short, you just go to the AliExpress page, click on the extension, and it's just going to do the work for you. But this is pretty much what you need to do in order to import reviews from AliExpress to your Shopify store. And you can actually see we have the reviews good to go here. So we've got 5 reviews per product with the free version. So we can go to Orange, click on import reviews, and just do the same product process again. So here we have some suggestions by AI. We can feel free to remove them or keep them. I'm just going to keep this one and use this one as an example. Click on imports and it's going to do it here for me. So yeah, this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully it was clear enough for you, and now you know exactly how to import reviews using Ali Reviews. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.